I'm James Farquhar, and I teach Once and Future Planet. The big question of Once and Future Planet is, can scientific approaches to understanding past environments shape our plans for the future? The big question touches on what science is. It touches on what geology is, looking at the past and understanding environments. And it touches on what geology can tell us about what we are going to expect in the next decades or centuries. The course is split between some in-class exercises or discussions about geological context, where we learn about what happened and why it happened and what the connections were between living things, between life and environments. It also has a very strong element that is related to a scientific question and working on a group project. And in this case, we're still figuring out what that group project is going to be, but we will likely work on something related to understanding greenhouse gases, the gas methane, in the environment and what produces it. If we take the methane project, we will be figuring out where we're going to sample methane, and we will go out in the field and sample it. We will go through the purification process. This will probably be with people in the lab, and then we will analyze it for its composition. I think one of the things about this class that is unique is that the backgrounds of the students and the majors, what they're going to be studying, crosses a whole spectrum of different disciplines. And what I'm doing is working with them on a question of how science is done. The types of questions that come up in discussions are fundamentally different than the types that would come up in a class that was just science majors or just geology majors. We can use this as a way to see the bigger picture, and I think this makes it a much richer experience.